I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is weForms. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select an action Fluent Support. Connect to Fluent Support. Next. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features under the actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. To complete the task, please click on the checkbox and add the support staff. Next. Finish and save it. Please access your form and complete all the required fields. Form submitted successfully. Then go to the Fluent Support dashboard and navigate to the tickets. And here, you can see that the data has been successfully received and the ticket has been created. Thanks for watching.